Hello to everyone from RADE Garage. Today I would like to introduce you a completely new product. It's a Lite Kit for the KTM EXC. It fits exactly in between the RADE Garage fairing kit and the OEM mask. It was designed from scratch to fit nicely with the design of the bike, but also to bring you a new functionality. More space for navigation, a stronger headlight, and improved wind protection. And all that for a very affordable price. The Lite Kit is different concept than the fairing kit because it is mounted directly on the triple clamps. So you can see when I turn the handlebars, I turn also the cockpit, while on the fairing kit it's stationary all the time. The solution has two implications. The first one, overall design, it's way more simple, so we can reduce the weight. And secondly, we can also reduce the costs and bring it to you for a very affordable price. But there are also some similarities with the fairing kit. As in the fairing kit, also in the Lite Kit, the dominant is the windshield. You can directly compare. This is the winning windshield from the Hellas 23. So the Lite Kit windshield, it's way more compact, but it is tall enough to cover all the navigation devices behind it. The windshield as well as the headlight are mounted on rubber silent blocks. It means the solution is ready for some of your crashes and increasing the probability that you will come home in one piece. Within the EXC Lite Kit, you will also get from us the aftermarket LED headlight. It has some E-mark and it will give you higher comfort when riding in the night. When designing the EXC Lite Kit, the endurance and durability were very important parameter for us. That's why the material selection as well as the design itself was done in a way that the cockpit is as much crash-proof as possible. The Lite Kit windshield was designed from the scratch here in RADE Garage, so you cannot get it anywhere else. The manufacturing technology is injected plastic. It means the same as the OEM windshields. As a result, you can see the sharp design combined with the nicely rounded edges that are compliant with TIF. The material is publicly known as Lexan and it's very flexible and hard to crack. Behind the windshield you can find this compact aluminum tower from 2 mm thick material with a nice closed design that protects your cables and connectors. On the back side, there is nicely CNC milled backplate from 4 mm thick material that is mounted directly to the triple clamps and ensure the great stability of the entire cockpit on your bike, even in hard terrain. As we said, the tower has a closed design, but we know from your customer feedback that you need time to time easily access the connectors inside the tower. That's why we design the Lite Kit in a way that it is enough to release 4 bolts easily accessible from the side. And you release the complete front, windshield, headlight and the front cover. You disconnect the headlight and then you can very comfortably access all the connectors inside the tower. As we travel ourselves a lot, we know how important it is to have the navigation in front of you and in good viewpoint. That's why the EXC Lite Kit comes with a white crossbar mounted on the rubber silent blocks that reduce the micro vibrations and protect your device. To simplify the installation of your navigation device to the crossbar, you will get also from us a platform, so-called Garmin adapter, that has a dimension directly matching the Garmin cradle, DMD holder, carpater holder, RAM mount, and many others. You can mount the Garmin adapter horizontally, or there are two vertical positions, and you can also adapt the angle to ensure your device is always in the best viewpoint. You see, there is a lot of space for the navigation devices within the EXC Lite Kit. On the white crossbar you can place two handsets, handset and Garmin, or big navigation tablet, 7-8 inches, and you see it is still nicely protected by the windshield. For the traditionalists and the RADE maniacs, we have another navigation option, because you can select the EXC Lite Kit with so-called roadbook plate, where you can fit two Tripmasters, ICOs, RNS, or any other brand, plus the F2R roadbook, and then you are ready to race. One more remark, the OEM Speedo is lifted up, so you see all the controls during the ride. And one more benefit, the windshield is tall enough that the navigation devices are behind it and well protected in case of the stones from another rider, or if you hit some branches, your navigation devices are safe. Every device needs a charging. That's why on the right side of the aluminum tower you can find the OEM socket, and you can easily connect your phone or any navigation device. The EXC Lite Kit is very compact but also very robust solution. It gives you improved wind protection, stronger headlight, and more space for navigation. Traditionalists can put there the paper roadbook, techie guys big tablet. All that is packed in nice, ready design, and you can have it for very affordable price. If you like it, please order on our eShop.